Ashtavinayak tutorial. 99% hard work plus 1% luck equals 100% success. A class by Pradeep sir. Admission started. SSC batches starts from the 15th of April and HSC batches starts from the 2nd of May. Commerce School section, State Board and CBSE Board. 1st to 10th. College section, Commerce, FYJC and SYJC. FYBCom, SYBCom, TYBCom, MCom Part 1 and MCom Part 2. Important features of the class: separate batches for all standards, expert teachers for every subject. The Educom Smart Class teaching is also provided for school section. Every Sunday regular test portion will be completed till November. SSC and HSC. 2 prelims will be taken, SSC and HSC. Special focus on individual student. Maximum batch of 20 student will be taken in the lecture. 100% result of the class every year. Bandra East, Mumbai, Maharashtra.